consider the junction diode as ideal. That means this diode, it is an ideal diode. The value of current flowing through AB is what? What is the current flow through AB? We need to find here. Here, if you are going to observe the value of the A, that is a plus 4 volt, and the B here, the volt is minus 6 volt. Then I'm going to take this is the P junction and this is the N junction. And in the P junction, the plus 4 value is greater than the N junction, that is minus 6. Then I can take this is the high potential, and this is the low potential. Then we can say this is a forward bias diode. Then the diode is a forward bias diode. The forward bias diode, the case is the ideal case. In the ideal case, the resistance will becomes a 0 and the current is a simply flow. Then there is no potential drop in this diode. Then we can write the current which is equal to I is equal to V by R. And V is equal to, they are given plus 4 minus of minus 6 divided by R value they are given, that is equal to 1 kilowatts. 1 kilo means I'm going to write it as 1 into 10 to the power of 3. That is current, it is in terms of amperes. Then plus 4 minus of minus 6 is becomes 10 divided by 1 into 10 to the power of 3. Then this get cancelled and the 2 is the amperes. Then I can write this one as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 amperes current will be flow in this diode. Then the right option is option B is the right answer.